We are pleased to show you the 2023 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.